Hi everyone! Today we are in Shenzhen, which is known as the city of high technology. Let's go check it out. Guys, right now I'm in Wansan Tianti in Shenzhen. And now I'm already moved to Yanshai Gongyuan, next to the lake as well. Oh, look at that! Someone is ordering something and there's gonna be a drone that drop you food or anything you ordered through this.
Goodbye.
It's here! Our package is finally here. Yay! With some friends as well. Not just being innovative here, but also environmental friendly. We have to put our package here, so it's gonna be recycled next time. Oh, there's a big crowd up ahead. Let's go join the fun. Wow, it's a robot coffee shop. There are two robots here. One makes coffee, the other makes ice cream. Hi, ni hao. This is such a cool experience. Okay, now we are moving to the Shenzhen Fan, which is the outdoor gym. Let's try some. This park is so relaxing and nice. I love it here. Another fun thing you should try in Shenzhen is robotic driver. Actually, it's the cab. It's like a taxi without any driver. How cool is that? Right now, I'm just waiting for the cab. It's here. My car. See, no one. Oh, you have to. Okay. Wow. No one is driving. See? Oh my god.
我是您的虚拟司机 Coco。后排座椅
It's
前
moving,
方
guys.
配备有安全须知品或违禁品乘车。上车后，请确认系好安全带并关闭车门， 再点击车板上的开始行程。禁止擅自进入主驾区域。行程过程中，请勿触碰方向盘等操作装置。
Yeah, most important thing
全
is
程
no
禁止吸
touching.
烟。
Turning. Oh. It's a smooth drive, you know? We are moving with about 30 km per hour. Thank you, the driver. Even there's no one.
先别开门，后方来车。
Looks. Bye bye. And now it's nighttime, guys, and we just passed by a residential neighborhood and found a really cool view. Such a nice surprise to see a cyberpunk building right here in the middle of residential area. Like, okay, let me show you. Cyberpunk building in between residential block, guys. But Shenzhen's high-tech stuff doesn't stop here. One day, just not enough for trying everything. Shenzhen, I'll be back. Have you had any cool experience in Shenzhen? Share them with me.